Good day, good day, good day. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to our channel. If you are still new to this channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So yeah, your subscription, guys, means a lot. So let's do our weekly analysis. We started with GBP I think I should also do maybe US oil. So what's really happening on the market? Remember, guys, the last week things were like seriously going up and down. I even shared a video about debt ceiling. If maybe you want to understand about that, you can just go check that video. I think it's 4 minutes. Just try to understand why the market is moving the way it's moving. So now we are actually on US oil. US oil, let's go on a daily time frame because we are actually on a weekly time frame. So what's really happening here? We are actually still on a very, very nice downtrend. Very strong one, by the way. Very strong one, by the way. You can easily see that the market is still doing what? The market is been pushing down for quite some time. And when we check, if we can just go closer here, we can just go here and try to understand what's really happening. I think the market can give us a clue, actually, what's really happening. Let's go closer. Okay, we can see that yes, the market has been pushing lower, but around this area we have a zone where actually we marked as a resistance. The market touched that area several times. You can see that we are actually on a daily time frame, but on the bottom side also the market was creating a structure like that. And if we draw a very nice resistance, a support and resistance on top, that is going to give us a wedge structure, so which means the market is just playing like that. So it means we need to wait for a breakout. So the best way that we can do is we can try maybe to go on a 4 hours time frame and try to see what's really happening. You can see exactly what I was talking about. So we just have to wait for a breakout because this is actually a triangle or a wedge structure. So it means the market can break and push the upside, or maybe the market might break this support and push the lower side. But since we are actually on a downtrend, I think the market will be pushing and breaking the support area, and we might see the market pushing lower and lower. So we might have something like that. I'm just waiting for that breakout. Anyways, I think that is actually what I see for now. So let's push to the next one, which is GBP What's really happening? We can easily see that yes, the market is actually uptrending. The market is pushing to the upside. It's been doing that for quite some time now, because now we are actually on a 4 hours time frame, and we can easily see that the market is slowly pushing to the upside. And on top of that, we can easily see that yes, even though we were pushing to the upside, the market created a higher high, which at the end of the day, that higher high became a sort of a resistance, and the market came around that area and started to play games. That is actually a nice ranging move. The market started to consolidate around this area because of this higher high, as it was actually a resistance. Guess what? The market actually broke out. So once the market breaks out, we already understand that yes, we actually on an uptrend. So once the market breaks out, already in the group we did send a buy pending order. We had a very nice buy pending order. So that obviously in the group they are eating, even though the market touched that around the time the market was about to close on Friday. If you did check my analysis, maybe you did smash this one also. So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold, guys? So on gold, the market has been actually trying to push lower and lower. You can see that on a downtrend, actually on a 4 hours time frame, you can see that the market has been trying to push lower. And where we are actually, we also had a very nice entry as the market actually broke out here. You can see it was a very nice support. The market pushed lower, went up again for a retest. Again, the market pushed lower again. But now it seems like the market is trying to go back. It seems like the market is trying to push back again. Around this area, we can mark that as another zone of a support. But at the time we were on live session on Trader Nick channel, I think someone actually showed me something actually on the daily time frame that yes, where we are now, it might be a support area. And guess what? When we check, that might make sense. You see, that actually it makes sense to be a support area. And if it's a support area, we might expect the market to actually bounce back. We might expect the market to touch that area or to play around this zone. You can see we have these points here. Here I can say it's twice. You can see we have this and this one. Here it's also twice. Here it's where the market is now going. So it means, yeah, that area actually, this zone where we say it's a support, it makes sense. So there is enough chance for the market to do what? To touch that and start to push higher and higher. You can see here the market, you see, that is actually a very nice uptrend. So now, where we are now, we're supposed to be like extra careful, if maybe we take those sells, because the market is still actually on this downtrend. But when are we going to say it's time for us to do what? To buy? Only when the market break. Let me remove that. We already smashed that one. When the market actually breaks out, it's where we can say yes, now it's time for us to buy, because we have a structure where the market is been pushing lower and lower for quite some time. Only when the market breaks out, we will say yes, now it's time for us to do what? To push the upside. The reason behind that is we were actually also on a very nice support area and a very strong support, and also we will be breaking the resistance. Then that is actually a very good confirmation to say that actually it's when we're supposed to do what? We're supposed to think about buying, and we can buy for quite some time, you see. So yeah, I think maybe you see what I'm trying to show you. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So now we are actually on US30. Guys, we have a special. Actually. So if maybe you want to be part of the team, lifetime special, by the way. You can see our lifetime special is actually $250. But from now on until let's say until month end, because actually it was supposed to end today, but I will just extend that to month end, so you can get that for only $50. Let me know if you're watching. Obviously you will see, because I don't actually advertise this somewhere else, it's only here on YouTube. So you actually saving almost, actually you saving $200. You're saving $200, and it's lifetime, it's VIP signal. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So what's really happening on US30? The market has been showing us that, you know what, Kenzo, we are actually on a downtrend, and we actually followed that for quite some time. But where we are now, we can easily see that the market is been showing us a nice downtrend, and along the way the market showed us some flames. Actually during the week the market showed us some flames, because it was pushing up. When we think maybe the market was about to buy, we saw the market selling. So what I see here is, I see that the market actually, where we are now, it seems like the market broke out. The market is breaking out of this support, of this resistant area. So I'm expecting the market to push up. Already the market is doing that, by the way. Already the market just broke out. So the question is, will the market keep pushing up until we reach our resistance area? It's possible. It's possible for the market to touch our resistance area. On the bottom side here, we also had a sort of a support, which the market actually broke out. So it means that actually now the market is ready to push the upside. On top here again, we also have another resistance, which maybe the market will come and play around there. We actually don't know, around this area before pushing lower, or maybe the market will be pushing towards our our resistance and now start to push the upside. So it seems like the market is back on that bullish uptrend, which is good. If things are looking good, actually the market has to recover. So I'm thinking that the market might be pushing to the upside. Maybe those bullish momentum, they are coming back very slow. Yeah, I just did I did scalp this actually, but not that much because you know what, during the week we took some losses, and once you wait, you think maybe the market won't move, then the market, boom, the market start to move, and actually we missed that. But in the group, yes, I did send everything. Everyone was just smashing. So let's push to the next one. Whoa, this one was very great. We had a buy pending order around this area. You can see, obviously, if they did hold that to, let's say, if they did hold that up to take profit, obviously they did take that. And it's sad because I did not actually trade. I did not actually take some trades there. Because the market played some serious games with us. We took some losses actually during the week. So once you say, okay, let me wait, then apply some risk management and stay out of the game for 2 days, then the market starts to move. You see, the market actually, we took a loss when the market was pushing lower like that, the time it was breaking that support. But anyways, it's fine. We will always bounce back. The market will always have to retest or something. The market have to give us another structure that we can actually use to get in the market. So, but for those who took the signal, obviously they did it. But what's really happening on this? We can easily see that the market is actually pushing to the upside. Obviously, you can see the structure that, yes, we had a resistance, the market broke out. Obviously, a buy was obvious because we can easily see that the market was respecting the support area. But this support was just adjusted because actually the structure was moving like that. You see, that's why we ended up not jumping on the market like that. But can we check this on a bigger time frame? Let's try to get this on a bigger time frame and see what's really happening. We have to go back. So for the last time, let me show you this, guys. For those who actually wants to be part of the team, a lifetime signals, it's $250, but you can get this for actually $50. It's lifetime VIP signals. Actually, you're saving $200. $200. So yeah, just let me know if you want to be part of the team. You can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me here, or the link is in my description. You can just talk to me there, and if you want to start to eat like us. So let's see what's really happening on a bigger time frame, on a daily time frame, guys. Let's try to see this because it seems like we never saw this type of a bullish structure in a while. Yes, you can see the market has been trying to push up here, and that seems to be another structure that we saw before. Do you see what we saw before? The market pushed up for almost 2 years. So if you missed it today, and if maybe the market wants to repeat this, don't worry that much because we still have enough time actually. But as we are actually on 14,000, I think the market is going to be way too easier for the market to reach like 16,000. I think maybe we go in for new highs. Our new high, actually our previous high, it's around 17,000, 17,000 there. So which means there is a chance for the market to reach there. And when the market creates something like that, sometimes the market won't give you proper structure. So you have to know what you are doing. And I hope we're not going to miss this one. We're not going to miss this uptrend. If it's starting, we know that it can push for 12 months. I'm not saying that maybe we're not going to have some reversals. We're still going to have some reversals. But at the same time, you need to know where to buy and understand that the market, when it pushes like this, there is a room for a sell. So even if we are actually on an uptrend, it doesn't mean that we can't have some sells, or maybe we can have some losses. We're still gonna have that, but it's gonna be very nice as we push in, when we know, when everything is clear that we are actually on an uptrend. You see, so I think that bullish momentum is getting back. So on 4 hours time frame, I don't think maybe there's much that you can see because the market just broke everything. So This candlestick is very great. I like that. So I will be waiting actually tomorrow to see if maybe we can get any sort of reversal or something like that, so that we can jump on this bullish train and we can just ride it until. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you like the content, and I'll be sending enough content about trading, guys. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget that we have a special $50 lifetime signals from $250 until month end. I think we left with 3-4 days until month end. So anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot. See you on the next one. Bye.